So hey hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you the three ways how you can generate free AI images. So let's get started. So first go to Google and type Leonardo AI. So just click on the first link and just click on get started. For this you have to sign in with your Google account or Apple account, anything. You will be taken to the home page of Leonardo AI. In this, just click on image. This will take you to the workspace in which you generate the image. The first setting that you can change is the model or the preset, in which you can change the model that you want to create your image. The second one is the prompt enhancer to enhance your prompts. Third one is the style, which has so many different styles like 3D, fashion, game concept, and all. And the fourth one is the image dimensions, which you can choose according to your image that you want to generate. But the resolution is fixed and the number of images is also fixed, that is 4. Depending upon the preset and the model that you set, you will get the different number of tokens for that image to generate. For this flex stub, it's currently 40, but if I change to Phoenix 1.0, it's 24. So you can choose whichever model that you want. After selecting the model, you need to type in the prompt over this area. So this is my prompt, and all you have to do is just enter your prompt in this area and just click on generate. You've got 4 images with the 16:9 aspect ratio according to the prompt given. So let's just take a look at it. This is the first image, and the second, and the third, and the fourth. So all these images are really hyper realistic, as well as the background is so smooth with no any glitches and all. So I think this is one of the best AI generation models out there. So to just download it, just click on this download icon over here and download will get started. You can download all these images just for free. So in Leonardo AI, initially you will have 150 points per day, and it kind of reduces as you generate more images depending upon the model also. So currently from 150, 24 is rejected and now I have 126. So the number 2 in the list is Imagen by Google AI Studio. So just go to Google and type in Google AI Studio. Click on the first link. You will have to sign in with your Google account and agree to everything over here. Um, So you will get the workspace for the Google AI Studio. In there, just click on Generate Media and click on Imagen, which is the video generating model. And here you can change the model settings. Currently we have 3, Imagen 4, Imagen 4 Ultra, and other one. And you can also change the aspect ratio. You can also change the number of results that you want to get. Imagen 4 currently generates one image at a time, but the other models, but Imagen 3.0 can generate up to 4 images. So just go with Imagen 4 itself. All you have to do is just type in your prompt in this area. So I have already made my prompt, so I'll just copy it and just paste it. And I want the aspect ratio to be 16:9, the YouTube thumbnail ratio. And I'll just click on done and wait for some seconds. And this image is so beautiful and nice. You can see the flowers and the juice and the vegetables and all. Even the carpet is really good. To download this, just hover it down so that you can see all these little icons over here. And just click on download and the download will get started. You can also export to Google Drive. So for that, the icon is this. If you do that, the image will be stored in your Google Drive with the account you have logged in. So next best way to create AI images is by using Bing Image Creator. You have this option only in Microsoft Edge. So just go to Microsoft Edge and search for Image Creator. And just click on the first link, free AI image generator. You will already have 15 credits every day, and each generation will take 1 credit. So all you now have to do is just type in the prompt that you want to generate the image. I have already created the prompt, so I'll just use the same prompt over here. The only minor disadvantage in Bing Image Creator is that there is only a particular number of characters that you can use as prompt. So when it exceeds that, it kind of just ignores the rest of it. So I'll make some changes. Just do a prompt based on that and just click on create. So here we have got 4 beautiful images, ultra realistic ones. And yeah, I think all of these are amazing. If you want to change the aspect ratio, the only way is just click on resize after clicking on the image. So default, there's only two aspect ratios. One is the square one as well as the landscape one. So you can click on any of it as per your wish. And to download this image, just click on the download icon after clicking that image. The image gets downloaded. So that's it for the video, guys. If you find this video useful, please subscribe me. Thanks for watching.